Hey everyone, Ken here with Ken's Creations and product reviews. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use the iCraft Deco Foil Transfer Gel. Now, this transfer gel can be used with stencils, silk screens, pretty much anything that has a mesh netting on it or open space. Now, we are using it with a silk screen now. This is an adhesive silk screen, so we want to make sure we fuzz it. Even though we're using 110-pound cardstock, those can be pretty sticky and rip your paper. Apply a generous amount of the transfer gel over the silk screen and remove all of the excess and put it right back into the jar. You do want to put a pretty good amount, push it through that silk screen or the stencil, remove it, and there you go. We are ready to go. Now, the general rule of thumb is you want to make sure that it goes on white but dries clear. You could air dry this and wait for it to go clear, or you could speed up the process with a hairdryer. But we are going to tape this cardstock down with Thermoweb's purple tape, so this way we can hit it with the hairdryer and our card does not blow away. Now, once we saw it go from that white consistency to the clear consistency, we are ready to apply our foil. Grab your design with the transfer gel that's clear status, place a piece of foil over that, and run it through a laminator. We're using the Royal Sovereign laminator because it gets really hot and it's consistent. But here is where the magic comes. It is going to reheat that transfer gel, and now our foil will stick perfectly. And look at, now you can use any of these chalk transfers and perfectly add foil using all of those designs and this transfer gel. I absolutely love the versatility that these chalk transfers give us and being able to use it with other mediums on the market. Now, what else can you use the transfer gel for? Let's take a peek. We grabbed another piece of 110-pound cardstock and secured it to our surface using Thermoweb's purple tape. Now, iCraft also has stencils you can use. These are a little bit different than the silk screens because they're just open spaces, but they're such tiny spaces we really don't need a mesh in there. We secured the stencil using purple tape, and using a spatula at a 45-degree angle, we are going to apply a generous amount of this transfer gel all over our cardstock. Remove the excess, put it back into the jar. And now we can remove our stencil by removing the purple tape, peel the stencil up, and now we're going to grab our hairdryer. Once again, you could let this air dry. You're looking for it to go from the white consistency to that clear consistency, and I do use a hairdryer on the hot setting to speed this up. Now we can simply apply whatever color of foil we would like, put it in a carrier sheet, and have it run through our laminator, and the Royal Sovereign does the rest. It heats up that transfer gel and makes it sticky, and our foil then adheres to the transfer gel, giving you a perfect look for cards, backgrounds, so many different applications. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's quick look on how you can use iCraft Deco Foil Transfer Gel with your adhesive silk screens, your stencils. It has so much use. If you enjoyed it, make sure to take a look down below at the link that will take you to Thermoweb where you can shop for your own transfer gel. Also, if you liked today's video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take a look at becoming a Patreon and supporting us, and we think you might like some of these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.